Thank you very much, Victor. And now the group is going to continue on with another couple of pieces here. But before we do so, I would just like to say hello to all the music fans that we have out there. I certainly, as a local councillor, have done a lot of work for all you guys and girls out there in the local bands. And not forgetting the Maghera here as well. I'd just like to say hello to you all and hope that you have enjoyed the station here in Maghera. Also as far away as Ballymuffin and the Claghera and all around the whole area, I just would like to wish you all the best in your bands, and certainly if I can do anything, I'll be behind you. We're going to continue on now with another piece, and this piece is called Higher Ground, and that's where we all want to get to, the higher ground. Putting on such an excellent facility where different artists from the area of talent can come and show that in the way that they have done here over the last few days. It's been great to have been here, and we're going to finish off this event with a piece called I Am a Shepherd, One I Love So Well. How He has blessed me, tongue can never tell. And I just trust that all you folk out there listening this afternoon, that you will know that shepherd that we love so well.
Thank you very much indeed. That was tremendous. It's been a pleasure having you here. And perhaps you could name them again here so that our listeners will know who was making the beautiful music.
We have here James Kenning from the Desert Martin Draperstown Road, David Austin from Desert Martin Village, Victor Brownlow from Maghera, who played quite a bit in different areas, and myself, Councillor Anne Ford, the local councillor for Maghera.
I would like to thank you and the group very, very much indeed for your talents that you've shown us today and the clear way in which you presented